Lovelies, it's your girl Diary of a Hair Lover. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of seeing my video, please do well to click on the subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell to receive notification whenever I drop a video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to properly wash your hair yourself at home and the type of products you'll be using to wash your hair to prevent your hair from breaking and also to reduce dandruff and also prevent it from getting dandruff, and it give your hair strength. It make your hair healthy generally. You need to start using this combination of products I'm about to show you. You don't want to miss out on this. So these are the products I used to use to wash my hair whenever I want to do my hair washing myself in my house. These are the products I use. I combine everything together. I have the argan oil shampoo, argan oil conditioner, conditioning milk, leave-in conditioner, and mentholated conditioner. Can you see those combinations? They are bad as all this thing in your hair, and you're telling me your hair is thin, your hair is not thick, your hair doesn't have strength, you're having dandruff, your hair is breaking. Hell no. If you start using this combination to wash your hair, you're just going to love the outcome of your hair because it will become more healthy. In few months time, I promise you my hair will be extra super long, because I haven't joking this 2025, and I don't expect you to also joke with your hair this 2025. Your hair must grow, okay? While I was just thinking about my hair, I added in some argan oil conditioner in the mixing bowl. I added in the mentholated conditioner in the mixing bowl, and right here I am adding in the leave-in conditioner in the mixing bowl. And next we'll be having the milk conditioner or conditioning milk, which one, whatever. I'll be adding it inside as well. So we have about 4 different types of conditioner right here in this bowl, and products are very super active, and they are very genuine, and you are going to see a very good result with them. So what you're going to do is mix them together. As you can see that I am doing, I am mixing everything together. Let everything combine together. So let's get practical. Right here I'm about to go wash my hair, and I just want to take you guys through the step by step on how I wash my hair and how I apply those products on my hair the right way you should do it. So make sure you stay tuned to this video. Do not swipe away, do not go back, just stay tuned to this video so that you can see how you are going to use that product in the right way that will work for you. If you don't use it the right way, it will not work for your hair. So you need to see how I use it while washing my hair, okay? My hair is very black, and people used to think I dyed my hair, and I have never in my life dyed my hair before, and it is super black. It is super full and thick. To think that I'm just start making my hair back, I cut my hair not quite long, and you can see the length of my hair in the beginning of this video, and see how thick it is, see how full it is. Yes, let's go get the hair washed. I started by wetting my hair. Of course, yes, you wet your hair first. You don't just go by start adding shampoo, start adding products. You wet your hair first, just the way I am doing. I wet my hair first, I rinse it. Then I have my argan oil shampoo here, which is my favorite at the moment. It is very good. It's neutralize your hair, it's give it, life, strength, and all of that. It is very good. I use this argan oil shampoo. So you scrub your hair very well. You scrub your scalp, not too much. You're not using your fingernails, you're using your hand. Yeah, let me say your hand. You're not using your fingernails, you're using your hand to scrub. So it's just like not really scrubbing, it's just like massaging your scalp. Yes, it's just like massaging your scalp. That's what I am doing. But because this video is fast, it look like maybe I am really scrubbing the hair. No, I'm not scrubbing the hair. I am massaging and just using my hands to do my scalp. Yes, so that every dirty, anything on the scalp is going to come out. After the hand scrubbing and massaging, I use this thing to also massage my scalp as well. But if you don't have anything like this, you can just omit this part, omit this section, and just move to the other section. When all of that is done, so I'm just going to rinse the hair off. So look at the way I am rinsing it. I am just using my hand to move my hair backward so that every part that has been rubbed with just the water is going to straighten it out. That is what I am doing right here. So just rinse it thoroughly. Make sure there is no shampoo, no soap on your hair. Everywhere is clean. It is very clean. So rinse multiple times. Don't get tired of rinsing. Rinse multiple times till you are sure that yes, it is very clean. Now it's time to apply our mixture. The mixture comes in right when your normal conditioner comes in, but this time around it's not just a normal conditioner, it's a mixture. So you're just going to apply it generously on your hair. Apply it generously. Let it get to your scalp. Let it get to every part of your hair, front, back, side, tip, center, scalp, middle. Let it get to every single part of your hair. Do not omit anywhere. And when that is done, you just take your comb and comb your hair out. You can see the way I am combing my hair out. I did not start from up. I did not start from the roots. I am starting from the tip, then I go gradually up. I am starting from the tip and I work my way through to the top of my hair and to the front. I didn't just carry my comb and start combing from the front. No, you are going to pull your hair like that. So if you want your hair to stop breaking, you need to take note of this combing method. You start combing from the tip, then right to the front, gradually, step by step. Do not be in a rush to detangle your hair. My hair is perfectly combed out, detangled. You can see how it is laying very flat and smooth. Yes, this is what you want to get. Then I'm going to go in with my shower cap to cover it up. I am covering it with my shower cap so that those ingredients is going to sit inside and do the work it's supposed to do. So this is after 15 minutes. You can leave it there as long as an hour plus 2 hours, as long as you want, but not the whole day. But the longer it stays, it gets active on your hair. So this is about after 15 minutes because I had to take my shower and I have somewhere to be. So I'm just rinsing it out. I'm rinsing it off. Make sure you rinse out everything on your hair. Make sure your hair is perfectly clean, perfectly okay. There is no residue, there is no product remaining on your hair. So take your time to rinse your hair very well. I am done rinsing my hair. My hair is perfectly clean and I'm just going to wrap my towel round it. You can see I did not take my towel and start using to rub my hair shuku like you people used to do at the salon. That process, it's used to cut hair because the way they are using the towel to rub your hair is rolling with the towel and some parts of your hair are cutting along with the towel if you don't know. So when you go to the salon tomorrow, please do not allow them to use that rubbing method for you. Tell them no, you don't want. So I just wrap my towel around my hair and leave it there. If there's no chance for you to leave it there, just use it to dap it. You know what is called dap? Just dap your hair. Do not rough it. Do not use the towel to rough your hair. Shuku. No, just dap it. Okay, I hope you understand what I mean by just dap it. Exactly the way you dap your face with your handkerchief. So that's how you dap your hair with a towel like that. You can see my hair is almost dry in the towel without even drying or roughing or dapping it. It's almost dry in the towel because I left it there for a very long time. I was dressing up, doing my skincare and other thing, and this is what my hair is looking after removing the towel. So I'm just going to go in with my hair growth oil, which I made by myself. I'll be dropping the video of how you can make this oil very soon. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, this is the opportunity for you to click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. If I drop video, you'll be able to get notified. I am putting the oil on my scalp and I am making sure I am putting it everywhere. The oil gets everywhere, as you can see in this video, so I don't omit any part at all. I just make sure I put it all in, and I use my hand to massage it in my hair, to massage it very well to make sure the air penetrates in the scalp very well. After I am done and satisfied with that, I take out my comb and I comb my hair out, and look at the length of my hair, guys. I am obsessed with this hair. So I just do the combing. Don't forget, from the tip straight to the top, from the tip straight to the top. I'm done combing now, so let's blow dry. I'll be using this brush that I got from China. This brush has been a lifesaver, guys. It actually does the work better. It is minimal heat, like it is very good for your hair. It is minimal heat, it doesn't heat your hair too much, and it stretch out your hair and also dry it and also blow. It does everything at the same time. It is called all in one. I actually love this. At first when I bought it, I didn't like it because I was like, how is this thing going to work? It's not giving me the result I want. But after using it for some time, I figured out how it actually really works. So it's not something that just work like a magic. It takes time, so you need to just keep brushing your hair out with it, and before you know it, it will stretch out your hair, and your hair is going to come out really nice and lovely. And I think this is actually cool because it is really good for your natural hair. It's not something that will burn or hurt your hair, so it's just really nice. It doesn't damage your hair or cause any other damage to your hair. And this is my hair after I am done with the brush. This is what it is looking like. You can see how it stretched my hair, and my hair is looking so lovely, so pressed, and shiny. Then I just use my comb to comb it all up and just pack it like that. And that is all for my hair wash day. I hope you learned something, not just something, I hope you learned a lot in this video today. Let me know in the comment section what are the things you learned in this video, aside from that mixing of your conditioner. What are the other things you learned in this video? Let me know in the comment section. And also don't forget to click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share to somebody that might need to watch this video. Just share to people that you know they are going through a lot about their hair is going through damage, they are going through hair loss and all of that hair problem. Thanks for watching. Bye.